These are the dogs that are available for adoption here at Pinellas County Animal Services at closing time on Wednesday, April the 11th. Our first dog is Jasmine, who is 3 years old, and she weighs about 60 pounds. Our next dog is our resident couch potato / sleepyhead. This is Lola. Lola is 2 years old. She's an American Bulldog. She weighs 80 pounds. One of our happiest dogs is Paisley. Paisley loves to play ball. She loves tennis balls. She is 58 pounds, and Paisley here is 4 years old. Relaxing right now, but one of our resident barkers is a 1.5-year-old beagle weighing 21 pounds. Her name is Misha. Our next dog is Mason. Mason is a black and tan 1-year-old, 72 pound, probably American Pit Bull Terrier. This quiet guy is Mosley. I don't think I've ever heard Mosley bark. He is 3 years old and weighs 70 pounds. Next here is Becky, who is a Terrier and Hound mix. Becky is a 1-year-old and she is 34 pounds. This is Angel. Angel's 4.5 years old. She's a little hefty. She's 72 pounds. She's a Labrador Retriever mix. This weekend on April the 14th, we will be at PetSmart in the Largo Mall, where our great volunteers will have our adoption dogs able to be adopted. They'll be at the mall from 9:30 to 3 p.m. That will be at the PetSmart at 10500 Ulmerton Road. Our next dog is Paris, who is a 1-year-old. Paris weighs 48 pounds. This is one of our better behaved dogs. This is Mimi. She is 4 years old, and if she wasn't laying down, she would sit for you. She is 36 pounds. This terrier is named Lonnie, almost a steely gray color. Lonnie is 4 years old and he weighs 20 pounds. Our next dog is Bella, who is a 1-year-old. She weighs 50 pounds. She's a chocolate colored American Pit Bull Terrier. This is Christine. Christine is the sister of Becky, who you saw earlier in the film. Christine is 40 pounds, and she is a 1-year-old as well. This happy dog is Carla. Carla is a Labrador Retriever mixed with a Boxer. She is 6 months old and 45 pounds. So you can expect Carla here to be almost 90 pounds when she's done growing. Next is Cutie. Cutie is a 1.5-year-old, 60-pound, female American Pit Bull Terrier mix. This is Sabrina, who is 3 years old. Sabrina's been with us almost 2 months. She's a beautiful dog. She weighs 44 pounds. This is Dexter, one of our better behaved dogs. He's a cuddler, and he is 2 years old. He weighs about 50 pounds. Followed by Tangle. Tangle is a Jack Russell Terrier mix, 8 years old, and she weighs about 40 pounds. This is Larry. Larry is a Lab and Hound mix. He is 72 pounds. He's 2 years old. This is Missy. Missy's a cuddly type of dog. She is about a year old. She weighs 63 pounds, but she does like to walk. Finishing off our adoption animals is a 6-month-old Jack Russell Terrier mix who is 22 pounds. She was recently spayed, so she's got an e-collar on, so she doesn't chew on or lick on her incisions. These are all of the dogs available for adoption here at Pinellas County Animal Services. All of the animals on this video will be available for adoption when the shelter reopens tomorrow, which will be Thursday, April the 12th. Thank you for looking at the animals here at Pinellas County Animal Services.